All right, guys, so what I did was I put the DJI Mic Mini 2 on the camera and I clipped the magnetic piece on the side. So it's essentially like a super low profile microphone that I don't know if it's gonna have handling issues or whatnot, but it's flexible because you can take off the mic, put it on your shirt and just kind of chill. It's like super not noticeable, right? The receiver at the top is flat, which is fire, and the mic on the side is just like a little blip. So even in comparison to the current, what's it called? Not this guy, this guy's fire, it's so big. The current, this guy, which is small, it's like half of this size, which is fire, super fire. So I'm gonna test the audio right now as well. Just kind of fucking play around and go into this position that I was in last night, which I kind of liked, and just see if there's any handling noise. Now I'm partially blocking the mic by holding it there. If I get a cage for this, it'll potentially have a place to live, so we'll see, because I think those cages have 2 hot shoes. I don't know, but yeah, this is it right here. The levels look good, and I wonder what the sound quality is gonna be like. So let's just take a little gander. Again, this is the DJI Mini, right? As an on-camera shotgun microphone. And I'm holding the camera arm's length, you know, and I'm still hitting yellow, still getting good levels. So coming in close, obviously better levels. And yeah, let's check this out, bro. This is exciting. I thought about this while I was kind of sleeping last night. Let's fucking go. I forgot my ND filter, guys, outside, so it's overblown, but the point of this is not the image, it's the sound. I just got like what I think might be the best vlogging microphone that people may not be aware of. Obviously they're aware of it, but it's low profile, it's versatile. You can use it as a on-body or off-body camera. And I'm out here in the wind, just trying to see what it's like without the wind muff on. Just outside chilling. Looks like it's gonna rain, so yeah. Probably gonna go downstairs, check this out right now, and then throw on my ND and maybe the muff cat. These couches are fire, and go from there. You know what I'm saying, bro? Yeah. So let's just give this a shot here. Wow, it's so blown out, man. Holy fuck. My shutter is crazy though. Why is my shutter like that? There we go. That's better. I had synchro scan on because of my apartment. But yeah, let's see how this sounds. The wind is going into it right now directly. Alright? Yeah. See what it looks like, see what it sounds like. Go throw the ND filter on, come right back, throw on the muff cat. So I have the receiver for the Mic Mini on the top of the camera, which is like nothing, super small. Yo, these couches are fire. And then the cable kind of took up the spot on top of the camera. I'm not using a cage, I have nothing. So on the side, right where the screen flips out, just under the metal clip, it attaches to the body and to the clip. So it's like right here, it's not going anywhere. I'm kind of wiggling it right now, it's not going anywhere. I have the muff cat on and I could fully see the entire screen. So I'm outside now testing with the wind muff, hoping that this is an answer to all my prayers, which came to me when I was like in a vegetative state right before bed. You know, that straight subconscious mind hack shit. Anyways, the best thing about this too is like I could take it off and put it on my shirt if I really wanted to, if maybe the wind is just too tough, or if I wanted to put the camera down and then walk away from the camera, you know, and then just boom, clip it back. Also, I'm pretty sure this receiver will connect two of them. So if I'm doing an interview or chilling with the homies, like boom, slap one on them and yo, you got a little pod vlog cast going on, you know? So yeah, the wind is strong. I don't expect to be vlogging in the wind anyways, but it's good to just test. Maybe keep this wind cat on forever, you know? And yeah, shit is fire, man. At least it looks fire, you know? Way better than those big clunky mics. I even thought about getting those like Sony mics that are generally designed for Sony cameras, but they stick out like an antenna. Like, I don't want that shit. This one is like super low profile. Like it goes a centimeter above my camera and maybe like an inch to the side of my camera, but the screen is there, so you can't even tell. So I'm gonna show you guys a picture, or I'll take a video with my phone or some shit. But yeah, let's go listen to this. I'm so excited, man. This could be like the godsend. Start a trend out here. Unless people are already doing it, I'm just like late to the party. But yeah, honestly, on my first go, I couldn't tell the difference between this and the MKE200 sound-wise. So again, I have a vocal chain on there, so let's see how it sounds. All right, I'm shooting with my DJI right now, my Action 4. So yo, this is what it looks like. So I got it attached right there. I'm kind of flipping the cable around so there's no really cable drag. I got the little wind muff. It's attached right here, like with this super magnet, and just boom, like it barely moves. It doesn't want to come off. Trust me, guys. So it just, I got the 14 to 28 on there. That's the biggest piece. So now, like, look at the footprint of this camera, dude. It's so small. I'm shrinking my lens. I'm thinking of getting a new lens. Actually, I bought the 18 millimeter. I don't think it's much smaller though. I'm gonna try it anyways. The 18 1.8. I might go 1840. We'll see. I just want to keep my vlogging setup as small as possible. But look at this, man. Comes right off. I'm gonna flip the camera. Hold on. And bam. That's what it looks like when I'm vlogging. Right? You got this entire screen here. The muff, it hits about, that's an accurate representation. The very top corner, if you have like a display setup, it's gonna show your white balance. You're not gonna see that. But I don't really use a display overlay. So guys, look at this shit. So I just tested it outside with wind. I'm gonna take a look and see what it's like. The only downside I can see to this is you gotta charge that as well as the camera. So you'll have to have two cables when your camera's chilling, just have them both charged. And you gotta charge this guy. Also, when you turn on the camera, to my knowledge, this doesn't turn on or pair automatically. If I could figure that out, then I'm chilling. It's not a big deal. It's actually, in my opinion, a much cleaner, better setup. Fire, look at that shit. I mean, I'm probably doing no justice the way I'm filming this, but hell yeah. DJI, you need to make a hybrid shotgun mic like this, or some type of clipping system, which you're gonna clean up the market, I promise you. No one wants these big clunky microphones on top of their shit. Nobody does. And not everyone wants to wear a microphone. So yo, boom, I want a Nobel. Peace.